Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a location in a Facebook post. To do that, go ahead and go to your Facebook account and do like you're going to make a post. So I'm going to click on what's on my mind right here. Click here and let's say I want to attach an image. I can go ahead and first attach the image and then I'm going to just choose something random. So let's use this picture as an example, right? And I upload the picture here and you can see the picture is in here and I can say what an amazing experience. And let's say it was at NASA, right? Facility, right? So let's say that's where I were, right? All you have to do if you want to add a location, I can just click and check in and I could just search. So let me just see if there's something for NASA here. I can type NASA or whatever. It doesn't really find. Yeah, here it is. NASA Space Center, Houston. I'm going to choose this, for example. And yeah, I add the location here and then I'm going to make the post. And that's it. So that's how you go ahead and make a post with a location on Facebook. Very easy and very simple.